Hello guys, today I have an interesting topic to share with you. I still remain your host Tochukwu, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a 15 YouTube short in 5 minutes while writing a video script yourself. So the tools you're going to be making use of is InVideo AI. So all you have to do is for you to click on the link below in the description below and get to this website called ai.invideo.io or invideo.io. So we are going to head over to the website now. So we're going to type this word that is here. We are already on the home page. So the moment you get on the home page, the first thing you have to do is for you to create an account. You need to have an InVideo account. For you to do that, you have to get over to this site. Click on AI sign up. The moment you click on that AI sign up, you are going to be directed to this interface. Then you have an option to create accounts using emails, or create account using Google, or create account using Apple ID. But what we are going to do is for us to select Google sign up, because it's one of the easiest sign up process. It's not going to take you any time. Then you see, it's automatically, as long as you already sign up on your Gmail or your Google account on your browser, it's not going to take any time for you to sign up. It's very, very easy. So the moment you enter here, you don't have to pay any money. It's free. You can make use of it and create a very good quality YouTube shorts here. So once you are in this interface, what you have to do is for you to go down and select YouTube shorts. Once you select YouTube shorts, you are going to put the topic you want these tools to create for you. And for today's video, I have a topic I want to create, which is how to save money as a student without working. So once you input your title here, it says create a YouTube about. You already add the title of your video, and these settings, I think which is the voiceover aspect. I think using email is okay. The voice, I think clear American voice is okay, or you can use any subtitle. Just leave it like that as subtitle. Then with other ones the way it is, for you to make use of some of all these things properly without restriction. You need an upgrade. So the moment you already insert your topic, you click on continue. The moment you click on continue, it's the AI to generate video for you. But there you go. You see, here is going to ask you the audience you are creating this video for. Is for students, and I think this minimum modem is okay. The platform is for YouTube shorts. You can still go back and repeat the prompt again. If you're okay with the prompt, you click on continue. Okay, here you go. This is the video here now. It's already done processing. You can play it and see how it sounds. Okay, let's take a look at it.
Who doesn't love saving money, right? Especially students who are always on a tight budget. Here's a quick guide to help you save money without having to work. First, master the art of budgeting. Know where your money is going and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Second, take advantage of student discounts. From food to clothing to tech, many businesses offer discounts for students. Third, consider buying second-hand. Textbooks, furniture, even electronics can be found at a fraction of the cost. Fourth, cook at home. Eating out often can be expensive.
You see how the voiceover sounds? It sounds pure natural. Doesn't sound like some kind of a robotic. It's totally realistic as a voiceover, and you can even choose the quality of your video. It has up to 1080p, down to 240p. And after you are done playing the video and you're okay, fine, you can go ahead and export the video. If you're not okay, maybe probably there's some certain things you want to do, like adding of music, you can go ahead to do that here. Like for example, you can say, can you add a music to this video. Okay, let's say can you add calming background music? Okay, I think it sounds okay. It sounds good. And you add a calming background music or calming background music. I don't know. Then, boom. Okay, so that's added background music to the video. Now you can play the video along with with music in background. So let's test it and see how it sounds.
Who doesn't love saving money, right? Especially students who are always on a tight budget. Here's a quick guide to help you save money without having to work. First, master the art of budgeting. Know where your money is going and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Second, take advantage of student discounts. From food to clothing to tech, many...
You see, that's added the background music, as you can hear the music playing in the background while the man is, sharing his tips. That is how you'll be able to create this video, which is over for 7 seconds of a video. Under this video even taking off to 15 minutes, or let's say roughly 5 minutes, you're done. But just put your prompt, do some little adjustment. That is all. You're done. Then click on export. You're going to export the video out. Just have to click on export the video. Export. Then choose all these settings. All these ones you have to upgrade. You have to upgrade to a higher plan. You have to use a stock watermark. That means there will be no watermark on any stock footage on this video. But for this one, this is a free account. You are going to stick with the watermark side, and then the AI branding aspect, you can use none, and you can use subtitle. You are going to keep it normal because it's still a free account. Then on the video export resolution, 1080p is okay. They also have up to 4K video. You can export up to 4K. I always go with 720 since it's a YouTube short. Sometimes I do keep it at this. I do leave it at this 1080p. Then you click on continue. So our video is already it's still rendering. Okay, as you can see now, it's already downloading. If you go over to the download session here, you see it 63 MB, and it's downloading. My network is very poor, that is why it's counting like this, very, very slow. But don't worry, I'm going to fast forward it, then download finish. But look at it, you already know how you can create videos like this under 5 minutes or 10 minutes of your time. In a day, you can create a lot of these videos, without using any editing skills or looking for music you are going to add, all these things. And the music they are going to give you is free copyright music. It's not a music that violates that is going to be a copyright in your account, in your YouTube. So, and this video you can upload it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or on TikTok. So this is it. This is how you're able to create a YouTube short using evideo.io. So if you want to sign up for this account, you want to make use of evideo AI, you have to check the link in the description below. And the reason why you have to use the link in the description below, because the link is attached with the bonus. If you sign up with the link in the description below, I want to upgrade anytime, you're going to get 20% off on any yearly plan you want to sign up. Now, for example, you have a free account. On the free account, you have access to create 10 minutes video per week, and then you'll be able to make use of iStock footage. But you have access to 10 gig storage and 4 exports per week with the video logo, which is not that bad. For a start, you are just testing the tools to see how it goes. Then on the other side, which is the plus side, you have the yearly and the monthly plan. If you try to go with the yearly plan, you will have access to 20% off discount on your plan, because you use the link on the description below. And this is the plan. Their sign up fees is not that much. You get if you pay $20 per month, you get access to over 50 minutes per month. 50 minutes of video per month. 80 videos, footage, iStock footage. You have 80 of them, and 100 gig of storage, unlimited export, and the true voice clone. The good thing about this, you can also clone your voice, because if you go over to our dashboard, you will see the option to clone your voice here. let's go back here. If you click on create AI, you see the option to clone your voice. You click on this clone your voice, it's because it's not a paid plan, as well as a paid plan. You will see the process of creating that, the process of doing that cloning. It's very simple. Just record about 30 seconds of you talking, just your voice, 30 seconds of it, then upload it in this platform. Boom, you're okay. The moment you create a video using any voiceover, it's going to clone your voice. It's going to sound as if you are the one speaking in the background. So if you find value on this video, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I have an interesting things coming up on the channel. And also I'm going to show you I can create a faceless YouTube channel, not just a short, a faceless YouTube channel up to 10 minutes of video using this tools. I'm going to share this method on how you can do that using these tools. It's very easy and it's very simple. You have access to select how long your video is going to be, and have access to do a lot of things using these tools. So subscribe to this subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss that video once I release it. Thank you. And comment below if you have any questions concerning this video, or you want probably if you have a suggestion for our channel, kindly comment below and tell us your suggestion or your questions that you want to ask. Thank you, and see you in another video.